Look at the camera. Say, I'm going to ride my bike without training wheels.
Say it.
What?
Say, I'm going to ride my bike without training wheels.
I'm going to ride my bike without training wheels.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Just like I did it.
Go. Woo! Keep going.
A little more. There you go. You turn. Yes. Keep going. Don't look at me. Just go.
Yay!
Yeah.
Am I going to get an ice cream cone? Am I?
Yes, you are.
Yeah!
You want to keep riding?
Yeah!
That's a big boy.
Ready? You got to remember, you got to pedal.
Yeah, just give me a big. I'm out of control.
No, you're not. Come on.
Nice stop, though. Nice stop.
You wrecked and you weren't even right. Come on. You okay?
Somebody come give me a big can.
Try to go without anybody else.
I did it.
Ready? Set.
Yes, I did it.
You can do it. Ready? Set. Go.
That is great. Go, Brayden.
Go, Brady. You're doing good, buddy.
Turn. Pedal, pedal. Woo!
Good job.
I guess I'm a big boy.
Ready, march, set, go.
Ah.
You got it. You got it.
Mommy, I think I need food.
Fix your pedal with your knee. What a goober. Up. Almost.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, come on. Come on. Whoa! Good job. You're doing good. Walk it off.
That is great.
You're doing really, really, really good.
Did I do real good?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to try to ride the big one without training wheels?
Yeah. No.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
No.
The big one?
With training wheels.
It'll be a lot easier to ride a big one without them. You want to try it one time? I'll let you get 2 ice cream cones.
Oh, and a movie.
And a movie night.
You don't want a movie night?
No.
Daddy, I think you should take them off.
Come here, Brady. I'm going to. Take off, dude. Go ride. It works. It sets. Go.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Your pads helped you, didn't they?
You got to tell Mommy.
Come here and say I did it, Mimi. Come here. Brady. Brady, come here.
Don't go towards Mommy.
Come here. And say I did it, Mimi.
I did it, Mimi.
There he goes. There he goes. Wow. Wow. You're so big now. Woo. Ooh.
Like that?
I did.
Take it back to your movie tonight. Somebody give me a boost.
You don't need it.
Somebody give me a boost. Ah!
Right over here. Don't run. Brayden.
I don't want to
But this one's got brakes right here.
You can do it.
You can do it, buddy.
Because you're big now.
Because you're a big boy. You can do it. You can. You can do it. I promise.
Say I can do it.
Say, I can do it.
I can.
Say I can do it.
Let me fix your helmet. Come here.
Fix your helmet. It's fun. It's fun, huh?
But
Hey.
Ready?
would you make the seat lower?
I think that's...
Ah.
You can still reach the ground.
Not the seat lower. Hold this
Is
thing.
the seat low?
Say, I did it.
I did it.
Look at the camera.
He's standing up.
I'm holding it. See?
Let it go.
No.
I did it.
No, it's Mommy.
What?
It's weird when you're not holding it and the bike stands up all by itself without training wheels. Hey, it's going all up.
No, he's putting it down.
What does that say? That sign.
Awana program begins September. Dusty Bibles lead to dusty lives. Dirty lives.
I'm thirsty.
My water's on the front of the truck.
Or you can have a sip of my Coke.
I did. Quit!
You don't want Mimi to see this?
Don't look at me.
Oh, look at me.
Whose is this?
Oh no, that one's nasty. That's Daddy's
You can
spit.
drink it.
No,
Who's this?
no, it's old.
Oh.
No, that can is good.
You're just saying that this is old?
Yeah.
Whose is this?
Mine.
I will go put it in the cup holder. Okay?
The cup holder's right there.
No, I mean that one.
Oh, okay. You need help getting down?
No. a loud Coke in the middle of midnight.
It's not midnight.
I mean in the middle when it's getting midnight.
All right, buddy.
In the evening? And this is Big Boy Bike. Yeah. Go. Oh yeah. He's going faster now.
Oh, he figured out the brakes good. You got it.
Woo! He could do it on a big boy.
Oh.
Go help him. It's a little hard for him to reach the ground. I'm recording it for Mimi and Nana and Papa and Uncle Mike and Auntie Ashley. Ooh. Is it better? Is it better than the small one? Woo!
He likes it because that brakes there.
Rev your engine. Brady did a victory. What are you doing with the... You like the small one too?
Oh, you had it. Go.
Go, go, go.
Victor, I need a boost.
No, you didn't.
You're good.
Yes, I do. Hey, Clint.
He's fixing your helmet.
Set.
Go. Oh, that's a big boy. It's easier to ride the big one.
That's okay.
I think Daddy's a little big for that one.
On your marks. Get set. Your mark. That's it. Go.
All right.
Brakes. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Good job on the brakes.
Oh, yeah. I don't think you need a boost. You got it. Go. Whoa.
Go, 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 go. Ready? Set.
Why do you keep going toward the sidewalk?
Sidewalk. You got all... Huh?
So that's why you turn.
That's why you turn.
I need a boost.
Ready?
And just to think, when we first started this evening, he was crying and screaming. He didn't want to do it. He didn't want to learn. Brake.
Oh!
That's why you use your
That's why you
brake.
gotta use your brakes. Hey, here you go.
You're all right.
Let me show you where the brakes are. Look. Look.
You're
Let me show you.
okay.
Look, Brayden. Look
Why
at
are they putting hay under that?
That's the bird's nest.
That's
Here.
a bird's nest.
Brayden, look. This brake stops your front tire. To stop the back tire, you just push.
Tire. You
Just
just
look,
push back.
look.
Look.
When you're pedaling, to stop the back tire. See? Watch me.
You're all right. You're all right.
What, Brayden?
Walk it off.
What's that?
Brayden.
I don't know.
Brayden. When you're pedaling, watch. Let me show you. When you're pedaling and you want to stop, just go backwards with the pedals, and it'll stop it. See? See?
You're the power of gravy.
Here.
No, gravel, not gravy.
Here you go. Here. Here.
Go.
Brayden.
Ready?
Why do
Come
they
here.
put?
That's a bird's nest.
Why do they put bird's nest in there?
They didn't. A bird did. That's right. That's it.
Mommy!
It's okay.
Turn.
Brake, brake. Yes. Nice brake.
Will it add some brake? That way. That
Here, look. Go down that way. Make a big old loop. Here.
I don't want to.
It'll be easy. Here.
Like
Try it.
that one?
Huh?
Right there behind you.
Yeah.
That's straight.
Okay. Go this way.
Say bye.
Here.
Bye.
Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
All right, watch. I'm going to run in front of you and you follow.